Another day, another basement. Let's take a look at what we're working with down here. So, fieldstone foundation, right? Looks like this area needs to be reappointed. I see some moisture. These are the type of lally columns that you want to see because they are filled with cement, which is good for stability and fire safety as well. PVC plumbing, right? When you see this plastic, that's pretty good. This red and blue wire is the new PEX material that they use instead of copper. Let's take a look at what else we have. Structurally, this looks pretty good, right? Brick posts, I like that. You see the pitch in that plumbing? This is why you hire professionals. Everything should be pitched at a certain angle to make sure it works perfectly. Those windows you could tell are older. These are new, looks like vinyl windows, right? So they replaced these. We take a look at this water heater. You definitely always want to check out what you're working with. When I go in to look at a house, I always turn it on, okay? This one's older, it's a Wheel McLean gold, should be good to go, but you see the bottom's rusting out just a tad. Obviously, this one's an older unit, just needs to be serviced and maintained. You see this going into the chimney, so it's being vented out through the top. Here's your expansion tank, copper. You can tell this is a gas line coming in, and your water heater looks like your water heater runs on gas, copper piping, and then that goes into the new PEX material. Water heater looks to be in decent shape. Raised off the ground, you probably want that to be raised off the ground as well. Overall, upstairs feels pretty level. Fieldstone foundation. If you're buying a house or you're buying a property and you want to shop with me, we could go take a look together. I bought many properties for myself and others. I think most of this real estate is in really good condition. You just have to know what you're looking for. Make sure that the best part of the house doesn't go unnoticed, meaning all the good stuff is in the basement. So make sure you just go take a look at the basement first. Overall, this one checks out. Looks like you have your plumbing for your washer and dryer hookup over there. I like it. This is an investment property.